This is really weird. I actually have to use an actual camera, which I'm not used to. iMovie's being a huge douchebag. It won't record video and it won't record audio, but I can still edit in it. So here I am using a camera and it's very odd. Okay, so... Oh, I need shoes? Ah! I have chosen these lovely pair of Kenneth Cole Reaction. They are delicious and sexy. And I wore them to my prom, where I got really, really trashed and don't remember because it was my birthday and my prom, so yeah. Anyways, I also wore them to New York when I went and saw Waiting for Godot. I wore these badass shoes and that was just awesome, seeing Waiting for Godot on Broadway. While I was at Unity in Montreal, Quebec, I was wearing these shoes and I fell flat on my face because, well, drinking age there is 18. I happen to be 18. And high heels were just not a good idea. I was wearing short shorts, scantily clad tank top, and these shoes. Yeah, I looked hot. They're a little worn on the bottoms now. You can see right there, they're a little worn on the bottoms because I've worn them so much. But that's what happens to shoes, doesn't it, people? Yeah, so that was the topic this week, talking about a pair of shoes. I think I did that, and I talked to this camera here. Hopefully everything's good and grand, and I love you. And I'm going to Montreal on Friday, so if you happen to be there, you should say hi to me and Daniel because it's his birthday. Bye guys, I'll see you next Wednesday.